Hi everyone, I thought I'd take a look at the Cosmic Tarot with you today. Another recent addition to my collection. Now, this is the guidebook that I bought to go alongside it. This was a separate purchase. This was bought from Amazon, and I'll take a quick flick through the book with you towards the end of the video. So without further ado, let's have a quick look at these gorgeous cards. It comes in a standard top box. Okay, the backs to these cards are absolutely beautiful. Now, I know it sounds silly, but I don't like cards with sort of horrible backs. But I love these, absolutely love them. Black and blue, can you see them? Yeah. So anyway, let's go and have a little look. There's a lot of sort of green and blue colours in the deck. Itchy nose. Cardstock is quite nice. It's a bit thin, but that's fine, you know. No big drama there. This deck's based on the Rider-Waite system. This is a very cool full card. Really like that. Great description, well, visualization of movement in that 8. Look at that for a king. You can imagine him being very authoritative, can't you? Just how a king should be. I like how the court cards seem to stare directly at you. I think that's how court cards should be, you know. They should look at you and you should really get a sense of them talking to you. Look at this card. Ha! How cool is that? Love it. Absolutely love that card. So the font used at the bottom's really nice, even though it's sort of italic, it's really clear. I see decks sometimes. I hate the fonts that have been used. Yeah, I like that. That's a good strength card. Looks like Frankenstein. That's like something out of an old movie. I like that. This has got to be one of my all-time favourite hermits. I really like that card. Really, really like that card. You know, I think the hermit card's my favourite in all decks. Very seductive to me about that card. So this actual copy that I've got here was pre-loved, and a little white book wasn't in the box, so I don't know if other copies have the little white book or not. You know, it's not a problem for me. Excuse me. Oh dear, I've had a bit of a tickly throat today. I hope I'm not going to start coming down with something. But anyway, as I was saying at the start of the video, I have bought a companion book. It was sold separately, but I got it from Amazon, and it's this one. It's the one by Laura E. Clarkson. And it's Cosmic Tarot, Signposts Along the Path. And this is by no means a great big thick book, but it does the job very, very well. Now, one of the reasons I chose this one, I think there's another one on there as well, which I was initially going to purchase, but upon looking at reviews, this one stuck out to me because in the back, it's got like a 1 or 2 pages on card combinations in alphabetical order, and that's got to be handy, isn't it? You know, handy to learn that sort of thing. It certainly appeals to me. For example, the 3 of Swords, the 5 of Swords, the 5 of Wands, the Ace of Swords reversed, 10 of Cups reversed are indicative of anger, you know, and it just goes There through the alphabet, you've got enlightenment, financial insecurity, leadership, karmic gifts, job quitting, mother, you know, theft, travel, violence, trauma. So that's quite interesting. You've got timing of the cards, and it goes through the suit, sort of cups equals days, wands, weeks, pentacles, months, so that was good. You've got some spreads and the meanings of positions. When you go through and look at the section on the court cards, it'll tell you sort of the age ranges associated with the court card, you know, the physical description of the court card, you know, for example, air, swords, the hair colouring is usually brown, you know, for cups it's usually blonde. You've got the upright and reverse meanings of the cards in major arcana. You've got nice images. It tells you a bit about the card, an example situation, and reversed meanings. What does 3 or 4 of a kind mean in the spread? Where is this bit? Well, here we go. This is what I really like as well, and I think this is a really good learning tool. So if you're looking like you've got the major arcana, it will tell you the upright meaning, and then it'll give you sort of like related examples. Now in the major arcana, it's like a trigger point. So you've got related examples, Peter Pan or the Scarecrow of the Wizard of Oz. And I think that's really, really, really good. You know, it's like sometimes you just need just that one word, don't you, to trigger off a sort of memory or something to sort of correspond it, link it to. So that's really, really interesting. So that was the book that I bought along to go along with the Cosmic Tarot. I hope you enjoyed the quick look at the deck and the book, and I will see you soon.